Just to give you guys a little bit of a context of this video, I like to show in my videos that things can even go wrong or not even go anywhere near as planned. Now, I went out there hoping I was going to catch some fish, and unfortunately I didn't catch anything. We did end up catching a thunderstorm. It started raining pretty good, as you'll see in the video. I started editing and I realized my intro to this video I did not like at all. So I'm down here, I'm going to redo what I was saying in that. We went catfishing. I started rigging up my line, and just to let you know how I rig my line up and why I rig it up that way. What I do is, I come off my line, I go down with a three-way swivel. Off one end, I go about a foot or two, and I put a number 2 octopus hook. The reason I use those is because when the catfish grabs it, it'll go into the corner of the mouth, and it's almost no setting the hook, which is a little bit more convenient. The other way I do it is I put these river sinkers on there with like number 12-pound test. The reason I do that is just in case I get snagged on something with a sinker, because there's a lot of rocks up here in the Susquehanna River. I can just pop the line and just pop it off and put a new sinker on. I make these sinkers, so there's really nothing for me to make more. It's not like these right here. Well, this is a pack of 4. They cost like $7, $8, $9. Here's a nice little view of the river. Right there's my 2 fishing poles. There's little man closing the car door.
Hi.
He's over there making a short. Now he's deciding to make a TikTok.
It's the weekend.
So is that why you showed me that picture and you were in the dark and you're holding a catfish? Oh. Whoa!
Well, I guess this goes to show that things never always go right while you're fishing. It's raining. Colton decided to retreat to the car.
You're getting something!
I'm not getting anything.
What did you get?
Alright guys, well, this lighting seems to suck, but unfortunately it's raining. We didn't get any bites, we didn't get nothing. But, hey. I wish I could make a good video where I'm catching all the fish and showing you guys how easy it is, but can't always go as planned. Alright guys, well this is a wrap. If you made it this far, thank you for watching.